We're Jack and Megan, and over the past 2 years we've been travelling Australia in our tiny home on wheels. While living on the road, we find the weather can determine a lot. Last week the weather stopped us from enjoying quite a few things.
And it's closed because of severe weather.
I said we could walk in the rain, but Jack had a good point that we wouldn't be able to see anything from a viewpoint and then we'd just be damp.
But this week we are not letting anything stop us from enjoying Victoria.
God.
Although in hindsight, maybe it wasn't the best idea.
Are you okay?
Make sure you're subscribed to join us on our travels every Sunday.
It's raining again and somebody's sick. So I've come down to make her some brekkie. Want to say hello, Megan?
Morning. You haven't seen me.
We'll talk about this little fringe very soon.
This is the first time I've ever had this whole bed to myself. It's very nice.
How's your new electric blanket going, mate?
So good.
Best decision ever. It works so well. It costs $59 from Autobarn. Uses not much power at all. We've had it on for like 8 hours and it's used no power. Well, obviously it's used a bit, but maybe that's why you don't want to get out of bed.
No, my throat's really sore.
Oh, poor little Megan. Alright, I'm going to make some brekkie and let's hope this rain clears up because we are on the Great Ocean Road. Woohoo! Breakfast in bed. How long haven't we done that for? Since your birthday. Show everyone your hair. It looks good.
How else do I show people?
While we have some brekkie, we'll run over my reaction to Megan's hair. We filmed it and it's pretty funny. Here she comes. Oh, it's all been ruined by the wind.
The wind
ruined it.
But it looked so good.
Show them what you got. Explain what you got.
I got bangs.
She's got. It looks great.
Maybe is that from? I can't remember. But yeah, I got a lot of length cut off.
You need to fix it, eh?
Need to fix it a little bit.
The wind ruined
but
it. Look at me.
I like it.
Oh
Very
my
different.
God!
She was like.
You look like a superstar. You look so different. I'm just staring at you.
Okay. You can stop staring now.
That's Megan's haircut anyway.
There you go. This is our second day trying to film this vlog today. We tried yesterday and then because we had such a bad night's sleep the night before, we just couldn't continue yesterday and now today I feel sick.
Oh no.
But
we'll do a COVID test, eh?
Oh yeah, we've got them home. No, it doesn't feel, I don't know what COVID feels like, but I'm sure it feels different than this. Okay, I feel like this is overkill though.
Little Red Riding Hood.
It's really good. It's grey.
Hey?
My hood is grey.
Yeah, but she has a red jacket, doesn't she? Alright, what's the verdict?
Negative.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Does that mean we can still party?
Party.
Alright,
I
where are we
still
going?
feel like crap though.
I wonder what's wrong with you.
I don't know.
Exhaustion.
Not COVID. At least we know that much.
Thank God. Alright, let's go, eh? This is better than the Great Ocean Road. I think I said before, we are officially
back on coffee.
We took, how many months off?
2.5, I think.
No, it was more than that.
Oh, was it?
I think it was more than that.
Maybe 3.
And to be honest, we did feel better.
Yeah.
But like we said, we stayed at that motel last week and we had a taste of those pods and we're back on it. Which I reckon, that's okay.
Yeah, it's fine. We're allowed one device.
So we're looking
but we need to stop buying it like this. So I think we need to buy some instant coffee.
We're looking at it. I've been looking at Nescafe machines, little tiny ones.
A lot of you sent us recommendation for those ones that you like squeeze. I can't remember what they're called. AeroPress.
Yeah.
Might try something like that as well. But
I'll try that out.
Okay, one stop, and then we're at the Great Ocean Road. Okay, I lied. We had to make one more stop.
Why, Megan?
Because the hairdresser said I can't have a fringe if I don't have a hairdryer, so...
How much was that?
$14.
It's pretty good.
It's so cute and little.
And you might have noticed our toaster today, guys.
Oh yeah. It was piling up on, what are they called?
Electrical goods.
Yeah.
We just need an induction cooker now.
Classic.
Alright.
Okay, now we can go to the Great Ocean Road. Every time he gets new clothes.
What do you reckon?
Yeah, it looks good.
Guys, I got this. I didn't even know this was a brand. I don't even know about brands. So apparently what is it called?
The North.
The North Face. $300. Brand new. I paid $7 off Facebook Markets.
I got this Kathmandu one as well. I think they go for like 150.
Yeah.
Guess how much? $25.
$25. And when I got there, I said to the lady, I've only got dollar coins, so we used
Did you really?
Yeah. So we used our laundry money on it. But also,
Wait, I'm coming
here,
around.
I was going to say, also, the reason we have bought these clothes is for another reason. It's not just because we're in on the Great Ocean Road, guys. It's because
Look,
the sun's out.
the sun.
Because we're going somewhere special. And it requires these kinds of clothes.
Oh my gosh, I feel like this is the first time I'm feeling the sun on my skin for...
Oh, it's so good.
Can you even hear me? Because it's still windy.
Oh, where are we? We're at
Childers Cove. And we're the only ones here.
Probably because no one's mad enough to walk down here right now.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
so windy.
The sun didn't last long.
It's literally raining now. It started raining.
For the 2 seconds we had it though. It looks really cool though.
The swell's massive.
I can't believe how strong that
Oh, God. Alright. We'll go down, eh?
There's gonna be a lot of subtitles on this one.
That's some wind, man.
I was doing a little Instagram video and I can literally feel my eyelids flapping in the wind.
We're both crying.
Trying to keep my eyes open.
Where to next?
I found another spot, but it says that it's a 4-wheel drive track to get in, and I don't know how it's going to go with all the recent rain and stuff, so we'll just go for a drive and see how we go.
Dirty the Troopy some more.
Well,
Nah, we're not going through there.
that looks very soft.
Look at that. That, I don't know how it looks on camera,
It's
but
all flooded up there
yeah,
anyway.
it's not good. We're not going through there.
I'm pretty sure,
I don't want to risk it.
yeah, I'm pretty sure there's actually another place. Siri's listening to us. There's another place that is looking out over the exact same thing anyway. That's like an actual road.
What is it? What are we
in.
going to look at?
Oh, it's just a lookout that I thought looked pretty cool.
Man,
But
we've been having this problem. I mean, it's not really a big problem, but
it's a
we've been-
first world problem.
It's the first world problem of tracks like this being closed lately. But
Well,
oh, well.
it feels like the wheels are spinning
Spinning
even
right
up
now.
here.
Oh, let's go the
anyway,
other
yeah,
way.
there's another one.
All right, Megan, you get out first. What's the verdict?
Whoa.
Windy?
It's not too cold.
Hey?
It's not too bad.
What do you mean? It's freezing.
This
Wonder what the
jumper must be really good. So yes, we come to the, what was the name of it again?
Bay of Islands.
Islands lookout.
This is amazing, eh?
Wow, we didn't visit any of this last
No,
time.
this is incredible, even on a bad day.
Yeah.
Look at that. You can actually see why it's
Why it's so
is
famous.
such a big tourist attraction. made it.
There's stuff out of it. We've got like 7 more stops like this over the next couple of days.
Yeah.
But putting our rain jackets to good use. But I feel really, really sick.
Yeah, I know.
I think maybe we might have to call it a day now.
Yep, we've got to go find a camp spot because little Megan is very sick, unfortunately, and it's starting to rain. And we got an audience watching us vlog. Have a look at this. It seems to be a bit bogged. Oh no. The wheels are just completely spinning. Let's see if the locker does anything. Oh, sorry. Where's that switch? Here it is. Right. Locker's in, let's see if this works. Nope, it's just spinning both wheels now. Need to lock it into 4-wheel drive, you wanna hold that? Wanna jump out? What? Get the action shots. Right, here we go.
Why are you always trying to make this into a 4-wheel drive channel?
Action, mate. Right, here we go. Look at that. Straight out.
Sorry, anti-climactic.
That's crazy what 4-wheel drive can do. Now I want you to go to bed.
Okay.
Straight to bed for you. Up you get. I turned the blanket on for you hours ago.
That's nice.
So it should be nice and warm for you, darling. And I'll make you some pumpkin soup.
Some what?
Pumpkin soup.
I thought you said pumpkin.
I'll make you some pumpkin soup with buttered bread.
Oh, yes. Do we have butter?
In our new toaster.
Oh, I forgot about that too. Oh my gosh, what a treat.
Alright, get nice and warm, eh?
Well, I'll clean up this mess first if you want.
Alright.
Good morning, everyone. Sorry we kind of abandoned you last night, but we met some friends. Say hello to the vlog.
Morning, guys.
We ended up sitting by the campfire all night, chatting with some new friends, and it was the best thing ever because we don't normally hang out with people and we just wanted to talk. And it was so good. But we're getting coffees made for us.
Mm-hmm.
We're getting coffees made for us still?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're on it.
Let's do it. Till you try that.
Yum.
It is next level.
Oh my
Proper
god.
frothed up milk.
That's amazing. We have to go on.
We got to invest. I think it's time to invest in some coffee making tools.
That's so good, Caitlin. Thank you.
What are we having?
I haven't finished yet.
Granola.
Thanks, guys. See you.
Yeah. Where are we going? How are you feeling?
I feel a bit meh, but
Hey?
I feel like this is as good as I'm going to get for the next couple of days, so
We got to go see the
just ride it out.
apostles, eh?
Yeah, that's on there.
We're going to the...
Do you want to backtrack at all today? Because we did miss a couple of things on the way here yesterday. Or do you
No, the
just-
apostles will do it for me.
Yeah? Alright, cool. You ready?
Yep.
You have to hype yourself up to get out of the car. It's so cold.
Yeah, but this time round it's
I'm
better,
really
eh?
enjoying it. Yeah, I love it. I get the hype now. We stopped in at Lockard Gorge just before to get a couple of photos.
Stunning
And it was
spot.
so beautiful. But now we're at the main event. We're at the 12 Apostles.
The main tourist attraction. Let's go. spectacular. It actually is amazing. Alright guys, we've made it to our final camp of the day, and unfortunately Megan is not feeling well now. She's gone straight up to bed. I'll see if she's awake still. Are you awake, Megan? It's a bit dark in here, isn't it? Are you okay?
Sleeping.
Do you want to say goodbye to the vlog?
Bye everybody.
She's not feeling well. So hey, oh, she said to let you all know how good the Great Ocean Road was. She absolutely loved it. But we're going to leave you guys there. Don't forget to subscribe, we'd really appreciate it, and give the video a thumbs up. It really does help us out. If you stay tuned for next week, we are hopefully, if Megan gets better, we're heading to the Great Otway National Park. We have been there before and it is absolutely spectacular, and we cannot wait to explore it with you guys again. So see you next week. One of the most popular tourist attractions in Australia.
And today is a public holiday.
Oh crap, completely forgot. Oh no. Look at that. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at Megan. Look at the view.
That's where you're meant to be, and that's where he's gone on the cliff.
Oh, that's not
Feel a
good.
rant coming
Oh,
on.
I hate when people do that. Anyway. She can't find the right spot. You ready? Action.
Still feel kind of sick.
Megan had a few champagnes, didn't she?
No, I did. I had like one.
And I had one beer.
Yeah.
And a champagne.
Crazy for us.
Insane. All hungover now.
No, it's not. Now I'm awkward on camera.
Thanks, guys.
Hey, we're still learning to talk in front of people on camera. Let me see your fringe.
What?
Everyone wants to see the fringe.
I think it's just you, buddy.